back to my YouTube channel. I'm Alisituma. On today's video, we are going to make and bake a cake without an oven. Stay tuned, watch till the end. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click that notification bell, like, comment, and share. The ingredients, you'll find them in the description box. Let's start by making lemon zest. Whisk the eggs, then add the lemon zest and continue whisking. Add 1 cup of sugar. Mix very well. Add the melted butter. This is to get rid of the large particles from the flour. Use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add milk and continue mixing. I am using a wooden spoon, but if you have the electric mixer, you can just use it. Continue to beat until you get this smooth texture. Use some butter to grease the cooking pot. The mixture is ready. Pour it into the cooking pot. Take a bigger cooking pot, add some salt. You can also use sand if you don't want to use the salt. I'm using a metal plate, but you can use a metal rack or 3 stones. Cover and preheat it for 5 minutes. Gently put the mixture on top of the preheated metal plate, cover it for 40 to 45 minutes and let it bake. Without an oven, now we have a sponge and soft cake. Let's now slice it and see how it looks from the inside. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share. Let's learn together, and don't forget to subscribe.